Okay guys, so to get started, make sure to open the App Store and check if your Messenger's version is currently up to date. If it is, just open it by clicking on the icon and then tap the name above to open the settings. Go to the emojis available and tap on the crescent or moon emoji. Make sure to send it on yourself or on the current chat that you're into. It doesn't matter whose chat you're in. Once you send it, you're gonna unlock the dark mode already. So click on Titan settings and then toggle the switch on and off to enable dark mode. That's basically it guys. As it shows here, we're already set and I'm just making sure that it's working because it was also my first time to use it earlier, and I'm just basically checking the chat or the new interface of the dark mode. Also, you can turn off the dark mode by going to the same procedure, but by just tapping on the picture above your picture or on the chat itself. Tap on the chat name or picture to go to the chat settings, and then toggling the on and off switch for dark mode. Did you know that dark mode is also available on YouTube and Google Chrome settings, including your email? Make sure to check my other playlists guys, because in the future I will upload a how-to video to enable that on your other applications. Hey, do you know someone that might be interested to have this on their device? Just make sure to send the emoji on the chat room and they will also unlock it once they send it back to you, or just share the link of this video. Thanks. Well, so as you can see here, I have toggled the on and off switch, so it shows that I am under normal mode for Facebook Messenger. This basically works the same way for Android and iPhones. If you have multiple devices, for example, you have an iOS or an Android device, then it might not work simultaneously on every one of them. So just make sure to check the settings on all of your devices. So as you can see here, even the keyboard was colored black, or it was blacked out. So I think that's really cool. As long as you have the latest version, then you're all set. That's it guys. Hey, if you like this video and find it informative, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel. Jomak here, I'll see you next time.